£4, 4 ounces, real cracker. It's just on link leisured lob, real nice take, and you know what a lovely day to be out. First fish of the new river season, and it's always nice to christen it with a fish. And yeah, this is a lovely blackwater chebbing, as I say, £4, 4 ounces, really nice. That really did give a scrap, real confident bite, sprayed quite a nice amount of cast from I get upstream, and yeah, this fish gave me a real good whistle stop tour of all the marginal snags and weed beds. I think you'll agree with me, it's in pretty decent condition. Absolutely made up with that. Let's get it slipped back though, shall we? I just had a belting take off a lovely £5, 3 ounce chebbing. It's on the lobworms again. There you go, how about that? Well, a chunky cheb. It was on double lobworms this time. Absolute beautiful fish. Real love them when they go £5 or upwards. You get that kind of real bully boy look. It's real broad head. That's a lovely looking fish. All nice brassy colours. Broad fish as well. Very nice. Absolutely thrilled with that. An absolute peach. Right old scrap, I tell you too. Lovely. As I say, just on link leisured double lobworm. Yeah, it's a beautiful fish, isn't it? Really do love chub. And yeah, this is a nice example. Really cracking scrap on the link leisure and quiver tip. Anyway, let's get it slipped back, shall we, to fight another day. Well, how about that? Just coming up to 7 PM. I was deciding whether to put the carp rods out or not, and this cracker absolutely gave me a nightmare battle on the quiver tip and double lobworm. Size 12 Patrax the hook, and that didn't let me down. Hook stayed short and held fast. I tell you what, I don't know how many grey hairs that I've sprouted, but this fish gave me one heck of a scrap on the quiver and link leisure. But I wouldn't mind a few more of these. £15, absolutely made up with that. Said they were about last time that I'd come down on my first trip on the 16th. But isn't that a lovely fish? Absolute paddle on it, I tell you. Nearly took me on a whistle stop tour of all the marginal snags. Oh god, I'm knackered. Absolutely knackered from that scrap. But hey, it's a beauty, isn't it? Really nice to slip the net under one of these. But I prefer to do it with the carp gear, to be honest, because I think I've just aged a good 4 or 5 years. There we go. Lovely slab, £8, 9 ounces. Really lovely take. And yeah, very happy with this. It's actually my first blackwater bream. What a cracker. Oh, chunky slab.